This video is going to walk you through how to update your image banners in Miva 10. Some of the sections are named differently, but otherwise the steps are the same for Miva 9 as well. Begin by logging into your admin. From the home page, select the User Interface option from your left navigation. From there, you want to select Theme Components. In Miva 9, this is called Ready Theme. Select the Images tab. Here you'll see all your existing image banners, including details like name, code, link, etc. When working in the Theme Components section, it's important not to delete anything. If you do, it'll likely break your site. It's not irreversible, but you'll have to get a developer to help set things back. Instead, use the active toggles. Here you can see I've got the hero image active. There it is. Now I'll toggle it off. Let's go back and take a look, and you can see it's disappeared. Turn it back on, and there it is again. Easily reversible. Now let's walk through updating the hero image. Click the image name, and a new window will open. Starting from the top, we have the name and code. You can essentially ignore these. You won't be changing them. Next, you have the image preview and the image select. Then you have your alt text field for descriptive text. This helps with SEO and site accessibility. Continuing, you have the option to control the banner size by choosing a specific set of dimensions. Or you can let Miva use the dimensions of the image that you're uploading. Next, you have the link. This is where you choose where the banner should link to, if anywhere. You have complete flexibility here. Lastly, you have the CSS fields. Again, these can be ignored and shouldn't be touched. In this example, we will edit the hero image. I'm going to upload a new image from my computer. And fill out my alt text. You can choose your image size here, but I'm going to keep the file's dimensions. Here I'll change where the banner links. I'm going to have it linked to the Contact Us page. And save. Now, when we click the eye icon to view the live store, you can see we now have our new banner. For more details on site banners, check out the article that accompanies this video. For more Miva walkthroughs, take a look at our YouTube channel and our blog.